Okay guys, quick one for you. Sprinter air intake filter replacement. We have some Torx bolts right here, and they're only on the front side. It's a Torx 25. Let's get it off. With all the bolts loose, disconnect, disconnect, pull off, and there we go. We're going to be replacing this bad boy down here. Looks like somebody replaced it. This doesn't look factory to me, but you know, it's dirty. Let's replace it. Looks like we got some dirt in here. Let's take it off and get this dirt out of here. Let's pull this guy off. There's a tab down here. You probably can't see it, but there's a tab. You can see what happens when I push it. Push it, and you should always pull up on this. So we're gonna pull up on here, and it should just pull out. Okay, and with that out, how to pull this piece out too. Let's get this out of here. Okay, so right here I am installing the air filter. One thing that I did not do right, and why I pulled out the whole box again, was I did not seat the air filter correctly. The air filter does not sit on top of the box, it sits inside of the lower piece. And pretty much because it was sitting on top, I wasn't able to close the top lid. I took it out, and once it was outside, I figured out that it's not actually in the air box. I just had it seated on top. So once I pushed it into the air box, I was able to close the lid, tighten everything down, and then we just reinstalled it, and everything was good. So that's just one reason why I'm doing it outside of the van. Okay guys, and just like that, the air filter has been changed out.